What it do is show Beezy the Shoboat, and July 4th fell on a Thursday this year, so it's going to be more like Independence Day weekend, you feel me? Now, I don't know how everybody else celebrates this holiday, but for us, it's hanging out with family, having a cookout, fireworks, and all that, you feel me? And that's what DaBaby did to celebrate his 4th, and you know, it's funny, I remember getting a comment saying, you notice how DaBaby is never hanging out with a crew, and they were saying that like in a negative way, you feel me? But you gotta remember, bruh's been through a lot before the fame and after, the shootouts, the fights, all that, you know what I'm saying? So him hanging out with his family is probably just a way for him to control his environment and protecting his energy from the BS. And I'm not mad at it, bruh. I honestly think that's the way you're supposed to do it once you hit a certain level, you feel me? Ain't nobody got time for the shenanigans. But look, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video I drop. Now let's check out DaBaby's 4th of July.
Turn down, bro. I saw you niggas celebrate my losses like I wasn't gonna win again. What's up, nigga? You better be careful, twin. Yeah. The secret recipe. Secret recipe on me, gun. The secret recipe on me, gun. Up or not? Gonna take this to the project. It's time to take it. It's time to take this to the project, boy. Yes, sir. It's up now. Put it all on your back. Hey, it's time to take this to the projects, Rick.
Randy, you want one? You want some? Nova. You want one? King, you want one? You want one?
Y'all say happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. No, mine.
Okay, then.
156.
And we just went and got a new load. We got cases of it. Yeah, shout out to my people out there. Huh, twin?
What's the
Yeah, we got cases of it. We got them big boys. Yeah, that shit you gotta go uptown to see. We got cases of it. Yes, sir.